Good morning, friends. I hope you're doing well. We have some baby birds to feed. We got some new baby parakeets, and you're gonna love these.
Look, here's some baby parakeets we're going to bring in to Handfeed. Oh, look at them. Look at that one. Look at them.
Here's the first of those two little parakeets. Isn't it just cute? Aren't they adorable? Here, can you stand right there? Huh? Can you? Let's do it like that. Here. Now they don't know how to eat out of the syringe yet. So he's gonna fight just a little bit. Here. Look. Careful and slow. Just like that, and you're full. You're done. See? Look at that cute little baby. Look at that cute little baby. Oh, we've got the brother right here. Ow, you're already biting, aren't you? You know, the kids call these Parakeets. Here, ow, stop that. You want some food? You want some num-num? I know. This is their first time to be hand-fed. We brought them in last night, but they were still full of seeds from when the parents had fed them. So this is their first time to be hand-fed ever. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That's Jonathan coming home from work. He works overnight at Home Depot. Look at that. Alright, so we didn't record him being hand-fed. I'm still trying to get used to this new phone, the camera on this new phone. This is the baby cockatiel that we've been hand-feeding. This is a Lutino. And just as pretty as can be, getting all his feathers in. Cockatiels are extremely annoying as babies with that cry that they make. Thankfully, they don't make that sound as adults. Hey baby, you can see that little crest coming in on top, that little top knot. Isn't that cute? Hey there. So you can see I've already fed him his crop, which is that little bag that holds the food right there. It's full. So let's feed something else, okay? Here he is. Here's my big old mystery conure baby. Are you hungry? Huh? Are you hungry? Come here, Flapjack. Here, Flapjack. What a name for a bird. I don't know if I came up with that because he's flapping his wings. Here. There, look. You want a little bit more? Let's see if I can get you a little bit more. Two of the parakeets went home recently with Piper, one of Mary Carl's friends. You know Mary Carl. And the Lorikeet went home. He flew all the way to Detroit yesterday. The Edwards Lorikeet did. And the other two Lories, they don't want to be hand-fed anymore at all. They're already winged. But I'm loving this guy. This guy's sweet, adorable, so beautiful. So beautiful. So happy to finally have babies from these. Isn't that beautiful? It's the sweetest thing ever in the whole world. Talking about sweet things, today is Catherine's birthday. She's 11 years old. So leave her a happy birthday comment. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Let's get the Lorikeets out and let's play with them. So here is the rainbow Lorikeet that we've been hand feeding. Now he can fly, so I'm going to keep hold of him. Come on in, Jonathan. Whoops. So yeah, the rainbow flew away. This is the scaly-breasted lorikeet. You want some food? So there goes Jonathan. He just ran through real quick, and there goes him. Come here. You come back up here. Here. You want some food? Huh? You want some food? No? Here. Tell everybody bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Quit squirming. Now these two lorikeets are still in need of a home. If you're in the central Alabama area and you want to come and pick one of these up, then you just message me. Find me on Facebook, Daybird Aviaries, and send me a message. Thanks for watching. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.